In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on MetaTrader for mobile. Now, there's actually two ways. The first one is if you're inside the chart. So the second tab at the bottom, you can go to the very top right and tap on that plus icon, and it's going to open up an order window over here. So that's the first way to actually enter the trading window. The second one is if you're on the quotes tab at the bottom left, you can see there's like a bunch of different things here. You can select your asset, for example, your USD, and you can tap on it, and then from here, tap on new order, and then it's going to open up the exact same window you were able to see earlier when you clicked on the top right on your chart. So that's basically the two ways to actually get into this trading window, and then here you can select what type of order you want to do. So at the very top you have instant execution right now. You could do buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. I'm just going to do buy limit over here, and then of course you can select how much you would like to do. So the quantity, I have 0.5 right now, or 1.5, and you could type it in manually, so I could do like 1.75, or you could tap on the plus 0.01 on the right or minus 0.01 on the left, and it's going to basically add or subtract from your amount. Now when you do that, you of course, if you've selected a limit order, you can also set the price where you actually want to purchase. So as you can see here, I could go and do that over here, for example, like this. Okay, I'm just going to set a limit, and at the bottom, that's very convenient. You can also see kind of the gray line. This is showcasing where you're placing your limit order, like that. You could also tap on here and type it in manually if you want to. That's completely up to you. And then you have the stop loss and take profit as well. So over here, you have the stop loss and then the take profit on the right. And of course, the expiration, you can set the expiration as well, either GTC or specified. And then at the very bottom, you can basically just place the order. So let me actually remove this one over here. There we go. And I'm actually going to go ahead and set a limit over here, and I'm going to put it at 17. Oops, that's not going to work yet. There we go. Okay, and then I can just place the order at the bottom, and that way I can trade. Okay, I'm gonna go and do instant execution right now as well, just to show you. If you have instant execution, you'll be able to press either buy or sell at the bottom. So for example, I'm gonna leave it like it is, tap on the buy button, and sometimes it's going to say requoted. You can accept or reject this, and there we go. Order is now open. I could go back, I could do that again, and now basically start selling. So I'm going to go to new order, and then I'm going to leave it like it was, tap on sell at the bottom, and there we go. Order is now open. So that's basically how you can trade using those buy and sell buttons or the place order buttons. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.